head, an anatomical cranial. Kepala belakang in English back head, an anatomical occipitail. Rambut in English hair, an anatomical hair. Muka in English face, an anatomical facial. Dahi in English forehead, an anatomical frowns. Pipi in English cheek, an anatomical bush curve. Mata in English eye, an anatomical oculus. Alis mata in English eyebrow, anatomical eyebrow. Kelopak mata in English eyelid, anatomical eyelid. Bulu mata in English eyelash, anatomical eyelash. Bala mata in English eyeball, an anatomical orbitile. Pelipis in English stapile, an anatomical orbicularis. Hidung in English nose, an anatomical nasus. Lubang hidung in English nostril, an anatomical cavum. Bulu hidung in English nose hair, an anatomical nose hair. Bibir in English lip, anatomical labium. Mulut in English mouth, an anatomical ovaries. Rahang in English jawbone, an anatomical tailbone. Rahang atas rahang bawah in English lower jaw, an anatomical maxillae. Gigi in English tooth, an anatomical teeth. Gusi in English gum, an anatomical gingiva. Lidah in English tongue, an anatomical lingual. Dagu in English chin, an anatomical macis. Kumis in English moustache, an anatomical moustache. Janggut in English beard, an anatomical beard. Lambung in English visor, an anatomical visor. Telinga in English ear, an anatomical ear. Lubang telinga in English earlobe, an anatomical earlobe. Leher in English neck, an anatomical cervix. Jakun in English Adam's apple, an anatomical part of glandular thyroid. Bahu in English shoulder, an anatomical deltoideus. Punggung in English back, an anatomical dorsum. Tulang belakang in English shoulder blade, an anatomical scapula. Dada in English chest, an anatomical thoracic. Payudara in English breast, an anatomical glandula. Puting in English nipple, an anatomical fibula main. Perut in English stomach, an anatomical abdomen. Rahim in English womb. Pusar in English navel, an anatomical umbilicus. Lengan anatomical in English arm, an anatomical outer limb. Lengan atas lengan luar in English lower arm, an anatomical breastbone. Lengan dalam lengan luar in English inner arm, an anatomical triceps. Ketiak in English armpit, an anatomical axilla. Siku in English elbow, an anatomical ocrine. Tangan in English hand, an anatomical manual. Pergelangan tangan in English wrist, an anatomical crevice. Punggung tangan in English back of head, an anatomical metacarpal. Jari-jari in English finger, an anatomical digits. Kuku in English nail, an anatomical nail. Ibu jari in English thumb, an anatomical pollex. Jari telunjuk in English index finger, an anatomical digital. Jari tengah in English middle finger, an anatomical digital. Jari manis in English right finger, an anatomical digital. Kelingking in English little finger, and anatomy digital. pinggang and English waist and anatomy lumbar, pinggul and English hip and anatomical dorsal, pantat in English bicep and anatomical gluteus, tulang pantat in English sacrum and anatomical sacrum, selangkangan in English groin and anatomical inguinal, alat kelamin wanita in English vagina and anatomical vagina, alat kelamin laki-laki in English penis and anatomical penis, air kencing in English urine and anatomical urine, paha in English thigh and anatomical femur, lutut in English knee and anatomical vertebral, tulang kering in English shin bone and English and anatomical crutch, betis in English calf and anatomical shoreline, pergelangan kaki and English ankle joint and anatomical tersile, mata kaki in English ankle and anatomical malleolus, tumit in English heel and anatomical calcaneus, kaki mata kaki ke bawah and English foot and anatomical pedal, selangkangan and English length and anatomical lower lip, telapak kaki and English sole and anatomical flexure, punggung kaki and English back of foot and anatomical metatarsal, jari kaki in English toes and anatomical hallux.